Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore dispute status tracking in Discover app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Discover app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Look for the Dispute Status option. If you can't find it, check for an Activities tab. Tap on the Activities tab to see recent transactions. Scroll down to locate any disputable transactions. Select the transaction you want to track. Once selected, look for the Status button. Tap on the Status button to view details. If status tracking is not visible, check for any app updates. Go to your device's App Store to search for Discover. If an update is available, download it. After updating, reopen the Discover app. Return to the Accounts section. Again, look for the Dispute Status option. You should now see your dispute tracking restored. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support. Follow their instructions for further assistance. Your dispute status should now be easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.